Hello everyone, this is Ajay. Today we'll discuss the importance of computer technology. So before we start, first of all we have to know what is technology, what is the use of technology. Okay? Technology is used to meet human needs and wants. That means it fulfills our wants. So technology is the tools and materials that extend human potential for controlling and modifying their environment. So that's why it is a human innovation action. That means our scientists, engineers made the technology for human wants to fulfill our human desires. Okay. Previous class we have discussed the basic computer knowledge, fundamentals of computer, so that we know that computer is an high speed electronic device. It is used in almost every field such as education sector, banking, hospitals, offices, business, communication purpose and scientific purpose also. So now we cannot imagine a world without computers. So these days computers are used extensively by engineers and scientists and also millions of people around the world. So that's why this is known as information technology, IT. So now we'll discuss one by one the uses of computers in various fields. So first of all, so these are the uses of computers in different fields like education, banking sector, medical, embedded system, computer aided designing, computer aided manufacturing, business, e-commerce, defense, simulators, tourism, engineering and robotics, entertainment, communication and space programs. These are the sectors, various fields that computers are used. So some of the important fields we will discuss now. So nowadays in education sector, IT is very helpful, important role in education sector. So various uses like it can be help for virtual classroom concept. We can develop the wide network using concept like internet communications. It collaborate the network technology. Virtual classroom like online classes. Nowadays that you know that virtual classes is very important nowadays. So today students are enjoying online classes, and it is development of easily understandable models and audio visual content using network and applications for better and efficient use of resources and better management. So benefits like it increasing the reach of quality education and improvement in distance education also. Distance education, one can sit in any one place or home and enjoy the online classes. Audio visual learning can be possible. Better coordination among education institution and teachers, leading to development and expansion of knowledge pool. So improved special education and easy availability of wide. So now we learn in schools how it is helpful for students. So computers are used in schools for teaching. For teachers it is very beneficial. It is used for mathematical calculations. Students can do their work by using computer. So various applications computer can be used like in schools by teacher for preparing lessons, teaching different topics related to a subject. Students can do their work by using computer, and students use computer to study various applications. Different applications, softwares are there. They can use, they can learn. Students use computer for preparing assignments, projects, and learning different topics of a particular subject. So various uses are there in schools, so that you can see the teachers and students interaction can be possible through this technology. So our students are enjoying in the classroom also. So now robot also able to take classes and clarify the doubts of students. Now role of computer in medical science, how it is helpful: maintaining record system, billing and financial system, analysis, material management, radiology, clinical management, and tracking patients. Okay, so now I will discuss about all this. So you can see the doctors and scientists are using our computer in medical sector for diagnosis, properly analyze the disease. So nowadays doctors can easily find out, recognize the disease, so that they can provide appropriate medicines, prescriptions. So these are some of the machines for different disease purpose: blood pressure, stethoscope, and sugar control machine. Different machines are there: ECG, EEG, and others. In medical sector, the computers, the technology are very much useful for doctors as well as patients. So now in banking sector, computers are used in banks for storing information about different account holders. It keeps records of the account holders, their transactions. It helps in keeping a record of the cash. And computers also help in giving all kinds of information regarding any account in the bank. Okay, so now in railway stations and airports, how computers are useful. So computers helps in giving information about ticket reservations and bookings. Computers help in giving information about the arrival and departure timings of trains and aeroplanes. And computers help in keeping records of all the passengers. So very helpful. Nowadays nobody is going to airport or stations for ticket reservation. They can book their tickets online. No need to make queue lines in any reservation counters. So that is very beneficial. So nowadays in offices, computers are very much useful to type and print documents, letters, applications, etc. And computers can help in keeping records of office employees. It also helps in sending emails, also makes salary slips, records of salary of employees. Entertainment sector, computers are very much useful. First, children playing games, listening music, and watching movies can be possible. And computers are used for making cartoon movies and animation films also. So computers are used for making drawings, prepare documents. Many things can be possible through computers. Okay. Now in defense sector, this is a very important sector. The computers are very much helpful nowadays in launching of missiles in defense, and it helps in keeping records of criminals. Computers help in constructing weapons. It can make weapon designs and controlling their functions, and also it helps in establishing communication links between the soldiers and their commanders through satellites. So through satellites, communication can be possible through commanders, officers, and soldiers. It's very much helpful. So now computer applications, computers are being used more and more in both the home and the workplace. So that we know the use of ICT and the applications of computers has now grown to such an extent that life without computers seems almost unthinkable. Okay, so information technology, IT, can be used to help solve crime in the supermarket, in the music industry, in the television, video industry, and medicine and banking, and it can help to control traffic and monitoring the pollutions. And in education sector, the computers can be used. So various sectors are there. So in our home also, day-to-day life, we are using computers in different works. So now advantages of computers: storage can be possible, storage of information, large amount of storage can be possible, quick data processing of data can be possible quickly, and audio visual aids, we can listen music, audios and visuals, and better presentation of information. We can make a presentation PPT, and we can show our presentations to audience, and access to the internet. Nowadays internet also very useful. We can access internet and we can source any topics related to our subjects, resource materials, and quick communication between students, teachers and parents. That means interaction can be possible through computers. So now thank you. Keep watching and learn our different updated topics. Just press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.